Alright guys, so today we are going to be making another guitar Afro beat. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create some realistic guitar melody. So without wasting time guys, let's go. Right now DAW, I already have this guitar loaded, and this is the Ilia Ifemo. So if you have been watching my videos, I've used this guitar like back to back. So this is the AG, which is the acoustic guitar. I'm just going to drag my tempo to 107, and I'm going to be working on the key of G. All right, so working on the key of G, and basically we'll be moving from the 2 to the 6 to the 3 to the 4. That's our chord progression we're going to be moving with. So we're going to be working with today. So quickly, on the key of G, our 2 is going to be our A, for 2 beats. So then we have something like this, playing our 1, and let's go to our C. So let's play this together and see what it sounds like. Turn on my metronome. So I'm just gonna put another note up here. So I'm sure you like, you're liking the melody that is coming up. So let's see what this sounds like. Then to our 6. This is gonna be our 6, and I'm just gonna play something close to this same melody. Let's add something up here. Then to our, let me put this in 6 and see. Then to our 3, which is going to be our B. So it's just like the same, the same melody. Then to D, let's see. Let's add on that extra note up here. I think these notes, let's put this here. Nice. So I'm sure you love this melody already. This is amazing. Then I think it is something like this. Then to our 4. So I think we have a nice sounding guitar vibe. So to make it sound really realistic, I can just increase these higher notes, increase the velocity of these higher notes, holding Control Shift and just selecting them, and let's just increase them a little bit from the others. Nice. And this is nice, but when playing guitar like this, we have that hard movement feel that is on a live guitar. So I'm just gonna try to emulate that quickly. So, and to do that, I'm just gonna add in some nice articulations down here. I think I like this. This is not what I'm actually going for, but I think I actually like how this sounds. So what I can do is just send this to my mixer, and I'm gonna be using Guitar Rig, just to give it, some effect to sound really nice. So I really like this. Let's put it on the playlist, and on my guitar I'm just gonna use my EQ to take out some frequencies that I don't really like. And I'm just gonna add a second one, and I'm just gonna make one of these unique. I'm just gonna render this to wave. Let's render and replace. what I'm gonna do is just edit the the sample. I do this all the time just to give it a very nice lo-fi kind of feel. So I'm just gonna edit the sample rate, and let's resample this, and we have this. Nice, I love this. So together, I'm just gonna try to blend the both of them together. Let's bring this down. Then use my EQ just to take out some low ends. Nice. So yeah, we have like a vibe. We have a vibe, and I could just add in some nice vocal sample. Trust me, when you have a nice guitar vibe and you follow it with a vocal sample, man, trust me, it's just gonna sound amazing all the time. So I'm just gonna go to splice. I think I'm gonna go with this. Let's drag it in, and this is on the key of F sharp minor, and we are playing on the key of G major. This is our where is it, F sharp minor. So all I just need to do is take this minus 200 cents. I'm just gonna pitch it minus 200 cents, and it should fit with our vibe, and I'm just gonna stretch it. I think this should be 4 bars. Yeah, so this is what we have as the vocal. Guys, we have a vibe. Just go to my master. I'm going to add in, put in my soft clipper, and then I could start putting in some drums, and I'm just gonna go to this killer tunes pack called Wildfire. But I think I just want this part. Access to this, so let's go. Yeah. In the steady kick. Yeah, with this bass, I'm just gonna use just a simple bass note, just going with it. This is so nice and amazing. So just a simple guitar vibe, and we have something like this. So guys, I hope you got something from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section, and if you love videos like this, let me also know in the comment section, and I'm definitely gonna respond to everyone with a comment. And if you want to get access to this FLP, all you just have to do is join the Patreon, and you have access to amazing stuffs on the Patreon. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.